Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can get unsigned APK to install in our mobile device. For example, that I am running my program on my emulator. The same program I want to install in my physical mobile device. So for that I need APK. So how I can get my unsigned APK? Remember that I'm executing this program. So by default this program provide unsigned APK. So how I can get this? That I want to show you here. So go to Android if you are using Android. If you are using iOS, then you can go for iOS folder. And here we have to go for app folder, then we have a build folder, then we have a output here, then we have a APK here, and you say that in APK directory we have a debug directory. Remember that in APK under we have a debug directory. So under the debug we have app.debug.apk. This APK is installed here. So we can go to this folder, right click, reveal in file explorer, and you see there in this APK folder we have a debug directory. Remember that this debug directory is always represent to the unsigned APK, not for signed APK. For signed APK we should have a release folder, and under the release folder we should have the APK file. So here it's the APK file that you can install in your physical device or in your emulator also. Once reach to this directory, then debug directory, remember that, go to this debug directory, and here we have a apk debug.apk file. This APK file is the React Native output which we have execute here. This application is running here in this emulator. The same APK we have here in this directory. Remember? So where is it is? It is the in Android folder. In Android folder we have the app folder, then we have a build folder. Under the build we have a output, and under the output we have a APK directory. Under this we have a debug. Under that debug we have this unsigned APK. Remember that it's an unsigned APK. You can install in your mobile or your friend mobile, but it cannot be uploaded on Google Play Store because Google Play Store required signed APK. So how you can generate signed APK, that I am going to explain you in the next video. So in this video I show you that how you can get unsigned APK, because when you execute your program, then automatically your React Native program generate APK. That APK is unsigned APK, and that automatically install in your emulator or your device which you connect with the React Native. But this file is unsigned. Remember that you can't upload on a Google Play Store. If you want to install your application of React Native in a Google Play Store, you have to generate a signed APK. So how you can generate signed APK, that is a different process that I'm going to explain in the next video. If you want to generate signed APK for your application of React Native, then follow my next video. Thank you for watching this video.